What's going on, YouTube? First of all, we're seeing a new pattern on the Ethereum charts. We're currently looking at the 4-hourly. Now stay tuned to the end, and I'm going to go over price targets and just where I think price action is going in the future. So currently looking at the 4-hourly, as I just said, and I'm noticing a bit of a cup and handle pattern. So if you're not familiar with a cup and handle pattern, I'm just going to pull it up right here. So you have the previous bull run, and then the cup, and then it goes into a handle, and then another bull run potentially. So as we have here, the previous bull run, we had this bull run. Now the only thing invalidating the cup and handle would be this big bearish trend right here. Other than that, we have this big bull run right here, and then we formed the cup, and then now it's in a handle, and so the rest would be towards the upside potentially. So aside from that, we're currently sitting at 57 on RSI, so we got plenty of room to grow. The MACD can't really decide what's going on. It's kind of just trading in the middle. And as far as support and resistance, I have the two white lines I indicated that are like relatively strong resistance and support. And this middle tan line right here, it's likely where I see a bounce at, but it's not a very strong support. As you've seen previously here on this white line, we've been rejected by this multiple times and barely went through it here, and then we revalidated that as support right here. As far as this white line goes, we got rejected right here, rejected 3 times. So I think that's a very good support. Now, if we were to, I think we're gonna hold this 20-day EMA, which is right around this tan line here. But if we were to come down to the 120-day moving average, I would likely, I think we'd likely see a bounce here. But if we were to pull back onto this, support I have here, this is a very strong support, and likely we wouldn't go under it unless there was a huge move in the market, like a whale selling a lot. But that's currently at 1550 or so. Of course, these are purely my opinion, and you should do your own research. But as you can see here, we've validated this multiple times right here, and even back here we validated that as support and resistance. So that's likely a strong area to keep an eye on. But as far as where I think this is going, if we continue this trend and we can see this cup and handle pattern actually play out here, I do expect this to go to the upside. And now where I think we're going to go is, I'll talk about that here in a second, where I think price is going, like price targets wise. I'm going to take a look on the hourly charts here just so you guys can get a bigger picture of what's going on. See, as you can see, we have this huge cup and handle pattern here, but we kind of broke off. So this is on the daily chart. This is what I'm talking about here, is that just because there's a cup and handle pattern here, very obvious one, does not mean that you will always break up to the upside right after, which is why I want to just tell you guys, just to go over, that's not always how that works. It doesn't always have to play out. So that was the daily chart, and on the weekly chart, nothing has changed, but I'll just take a glance at it really quick here. You can't really tell, but we haven't made much of a move as far as where we want to see us trade above. We really want to get up here, this moving at 120-day moving average, which is just sitting at about 2.2 thousand, which is unlikely that we will see that anytime soon. However, we will get very close if we can get to these price targets that I am thinking. So I did some fib retracements earlier, and at the first level, we are seeing a price target of nearly, what was it? Let me pull it up right quick. We are seeing a price target of about 1763, and anywhere from 1763 to 1850, I think we could see price action go if we were to bust past this 1713 mark here. This is also a huge resistance I didn't point out, but we have to break this high right here in order to get to those price targets. Now, as far as everything else goes, that's where I see the market going. But of course, I'm not a financial advisor, none of that. I'm just telling you my opinion. I'm not in a trade at the moment, as we are currently selling off a little bit here on the 4 hourly. So I'm waiting for that to settle down, and then I will likely enter a trade if I see it necessary. And as of course, I will keep you guys updated and in the news. So subscribe, hit that bell notification, and if you found value in this video, please leave a like and comment what you want to see more of. Thank you, guys.